All right, this is happening. All right, so basically, I'm going to be making a White Claw Impaled Skull. So here I'm just using the Fierce by Nature Morphe palette and kind of just matching my eyeshadow to the black cherry can. This was my initial thought. You don't have to do this. You could literally do whatever eyeshadow that you want. Um, but I haven't played with colors like this for a while, so I thought it'd be a good, fun time. Basically just blending, blending and blending and blending. I just got this palette and I actually really like it. I was deciding between this and the James Charles palette, um, and I decided on this one. So I think it's pretty cute. In the middle of my lids, I did put some shimmery shadow just for fun, and then I am smudging the same color on my lower lid because I feel like that kind of completes the eye look. If you don't do that, it doesn't really look as finished, in my opinion. Of course, you're going to want to put a bright color on your inner corners and under your brow bone because it makes it pop, makes your eyes look bigger, all that good stuff. Here I am just doing a small wing. I haven't worn winged eyeliner in like months, maybe 6, 7, 8 months. It's crazy. And then I tightlined my waterline with a brown pencil, and I popped on some lashes and some mascara. Also, I haven't put on lashes in a really long time, so that was an experience. Oh, and this is a really awkward clip of me figuring out where to put the can. You can see that I'm like really thinking hard about it. I was going to put it on my cheek, but the request was for an impaled skull, so I had to put it on my head. This was an experience just because I knew that I was going to have it in my hair, and you can see it in my eyes that I was like thinking about having to put liquid latex in my hair. So it is what it is. Alright, liquid latex time. This was really hard to open since I haven't used it since last year, and it smells so bad. So, so bad. So you just pretty much unravel some cotton balls, and I'm putting this on my head and tracing where I want it to go so that I can put the liquid latex on top of that line and put some cotton balls on top of that. You're basically just going to do a lot of layering with liquid latex and cotton balls and so on and so forth. Just kind of adjust it. My forehead isn't the biggest, so this was more difficult. I also dropped the can at some point because I thought it was sticking, but it wasn't. There it is. So you're just going to kind of keep doing this. I found out that putting cotton balls around the entire can helped make it stay on my head. So that's an option if you're down for that. So now I'm just waiting for the liquid latex to dry, making some adjustments on top of the can, pulling out the cotton to make it look more like flesh, if you will. And then you take your foundation and you color the cotton ball because you don't want it to look like a cotton ball. And here I'm using this bright red face paint, which looks really fake, so I didn't go too crazy with this stuff because, I mean, you just want to have some sort of a red base for the blood, just so it looks a little bit more realistic. My camera died, but this is the finished look. If you think this is bad, you should see the other guy.